In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this PIC Fly Ribbon. This is the XL 40-foot roll, and this is something that's great for indoors and outdoors. So this one's been up maybe, I don't know, 3 days here, and let me just show you how this thing works. So I hung it out here because my garbage can is here, and here's all of the flies that are on there. There's some flies, mostly mosquitoes and gnats. So this thing actually, and look, there's some bees. We've got a, looks like a roach right there. There's a bunch of random things that this thing is called. It's worked extremely well considering it's only been up for a few days, and look how much it's already caught right here. Now when the stick goes away on this, what I'll do, I'll just pull it down, re-staple it, and set it back up, and we are good to go. This is something I recommend for anyone that just has like an area where they get a lot of fly, whether it's some, maybe you got some chickens. I used to have some chickens back here, or some pigs or something like that, like a little farm area, and you want to keep where you don't have to use any type of pesticides or anything like that. This is something I recommend. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the PIC extra large fly ribbon. See you on the next video.